Ryan, have you seen my keys?
Again? You're kidding, right?
I wish I was.
When did you use them last?
I unlocked the front door.
What did you do next?
I went straight inside.
Then?
I made breakfast.
Did anyone call you?
Yes, my mom called.
That explains it.
Why do you say that?
You always get distracted.
That's probably true.
Don't worry, it happens.
But we're running late.
We still have time.
I hope you're right.
First, check your bag.
I already checked twice.
Okay. What about your jacket?
Just my wallet.
Let's search together.
I'll check the kitchen.
I'll check the living room.
Nothing on the table.
Nothing near the sofa.
This is so frustrating.
I know the feeling.
I lose things too often.
You're not the only one.
Really?
Last week, I lost my headphones.
Did you find them?
They were in my backpack.
Seriously?
I searched the whole house first.
That actually makes me feel better.
See? You're not alone.
Wait. What's behind the flower pot?
I don't know. Take a look.
Oh, there they are.
You found them?
Yes. I can't believe it.
Mystery solved.
I don't even remember putting them there.
Maybe you were thinking about breakfast.
Or maybe I needed more coffee.
That's a better answer.
Thanks for helping me.
Anytime. Friends help friends.
Come on, let's eat.
Good idea. I'm starving.
And this time?
Don't lose your spoon.
Very funny.
Oh, I almost forgot something.
What did you forget?
One more egg.
We already have breakfast.
I know, but I want one for lunch.
That's a good idea.
It will only take a minute.
I'll wait here.
Let me get another egg.
Be careful this time.
Don't worry. I learned my lesson.
I'm glad to hear that.
Okay, here we go.
You're doing great.
Oh no,
What happened?
the egg slipped from my hand.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine,
That's the important thing.
but the egg is all over the floor.
Don't worry about the egg.
I made another mess.
It was just an accident.
I feel a little embarrassed.
You don't have to.
Really?
Everyone makes mistakes.
Even you?
Of course.
Have you ever dropped an egg?
More than once.
Really?
Yes. And I dropped a whole bowl once.
That makes me feel better.
See? You're not the only one.
Let's clean this up.
I'll get some paper towels.
I'll clean the floor.
Be careful. It's a little slippery.
Thanks for telling me.
You're welcome.
Everything is clean now.
Great job.
Can you teach me a better way to crack an egg?
Sure. Tap it gently on a flat surface.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect.
It opens so easily.
See? That's much better.
I'll remember that next time.
You're getting better already.
Thanks for helping me again.
Anytime.
Finally, we can enjoy our breakfast.
Everything looks delicious.
I'm happy nothing else went wrong.
Let's keep it that way.
Here, have some toast.
Thanks. It looks really good.
Try the eggs, too.
I will.
So, how is everything?
It's really tasty.
I'm glad you like it.
You did a great job.
We both did.
That's true.
Thanks for helping me this morning.
I was happy to help.
I don't know what I would do without you.
You would probably find a way.
Maybe, but it would take much longer.
That's why teamwork is important.
I agree.
Do you have many things to do today?
Yes, I have a very busy day.
What do you have first?
I have a meeting at 9.
Is it an important meeting?
Yes, my manager will be there.
I think you'll do well.
I hope so.
You always prepare carefully.
I try my best.
That's what matters.
What about you?
I have a few online meetings.
That sounds easier than traveling.
It saves a lot of time.
I wish my office was closer.
Maybe one day it will be.
I hope so.
Don't think too much about it.
You're right.
Just focus on today.
That's good advice.
One step at a time.
Oh, what time is it now?
Let me check.
I hope we're not late.
We still have some time.
That's a relief.
Finish your breakfast first.
You're right. Then we can get ready. I'll pack my bag after this.
I'll help you check everything.
Good idea.
We won't forget anything today.
Especially my keys.
Exactly. Let's get ready.
I think it's time to pack my bag.
Yes, we should leave soon.
I don't want to rush at the last minute.
Then let's check everything now.
My laptop is already packed.
Did you pack the charger too?
Let me check. Oh, I almost forgot it.
Good thing you looked again.
That could have been a problem.
It happens more often than you think.
Now the charger is in my bag.
Great. What's next?
My notebook and my pen.
Are they in the front pocket?
Yes, I packed them yesterday.
You're well prepared today.
I'm trying to be.
I can see that.
Wait, where's my office ID?
Isn't it on the table?
Oh, yes, there it is.
I knew you'd find it.
Thanks for noticing.
You're welcome.
I think everything is ready now.
Are you sure?
I think so.
Let's check one more time. Laptop,
Yes,
charger,
yes,
office ID,
yes,
notebook.
yes. Then I'm ready.
Wait a second.
What did I miss?
Where's your water bottle?
Oh no, I forgot it again.
I had a feeling you would.
Thanks for reminding me.
That's what friends are for.
I'll put it in the side pocket.
That's a good place for it.
Now I really have everything.
Let's see. Keys,
Yes,
phone,
yes,
wallet,
yes,
water bottle.
yes. Okay, I'm finally ready.
Great. Let's head to the door.
Okay, let's go.
Wait a second.
What happened?
I have one question.
I think I know this question.
Do you have your keys this time?
I knew you were going to ask that.
I just wanted to be sure.
Don't worry, I checked twice.
That's good to hear.
You're never going to forget this morning, are you?
Not anytime soon.
I should have known.
It was actually a funny morning.
It wasn't funny when I couldn't find them.
That's true.
But now I can laugh about it.
That's the spirit.
Okay, I'll lock the door.
Take your time.
Done. The door is locked.
Great. Let's get moving.
I hope we're not late.
We still have enough time.
Really?
Yes, we left earlier than usual.
That's a relief.
See? There was no need to worry.
I worry too much sometimes.
I noticed that.
Is it really that obvious?
Just a little.
I'll try to stay calm.
That's all you need to do.
The weather is nice today.
It's perfect for a walk.
I'm glad it's not raining.
Me too.
Look, the streets are already busy,
Everyone is on their way to work.
just like us.
Exactly.
How far is the bus stop?
Just around the corner.
That's not far at all.
We'll be there in a minute.
Good.
Do you hear that?
Hear what?
I think a bus is coming.
I hope it's ours.
Let's walk a little faster.
Okay, but don't make me run.
I promise.
That's better.
Come on, we're almost there.
I can see the bus stop now.
Perfect. Let's see if our bus is here.
It looks a little crowded today.
You're right. There are more people than usual.
I hope we didn't miss the bus.
Let's check the schedule first.
What does it say?
The bus is running late.
Really? For how long?
About 10 minutes.
That's not great.
We still have some time.
I don't like waiting.
I know you don't.
It feels like this morning never slows down.
It's been a busy morning.
First the keys,
Then the egg.
and now the bus.
At least we're still smiling.
That's because you're staying positive.
It makes the day easier.
I should learn that from you.
You're getting better already.
What should we do while we wait?
We could just stand here.
Or?
Or what?
I smell fresh coffee.
I noticed that too.
There's a coffee shop over there.
I can see it.
Do you think we have enough time?
I think we do.
Are you sure?
The bus won't be here for a while.
A cup of coffee sounds nice.
I was thinking the same thing.
Then let's go.
Good idea.
We'll come right back.
We won't be long.
I feel much better now.
Coffee has that effect.
You're already thinking about coffee?
Can you blame me?
Not really.
Let's walk before we change our minds.
You're right.
It's just across the street.
I can already smell it.
That's a good sign.
I hope the coffee is as good as it smells.
There's only one way to find out.
Let's go.
Right behind you.
This morning is turning into an adventure.
And it's not over yet.
Let's see what happens next.
First, coffee.